Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez is being attacked online all over social media by all of the right-wing bottom dwellers going after her, I guess, where she grew up. Yorktown Heights in upstate New York, not too far out of New York City, most certainly a blue-collar town. And they're basically jumping up and down. Oh, she's telling people she's from the Bronx. Let me make a suggestion, people. How about going after her policies? How about going after her ideas rather than where she grew up? And they show a picture of her house. It was a tiny little house in a very, very blue collar town. You did this same nonsense with Obama and his birth certificate. How did that work out? For crying out loud, people. I mean, if you can't challenge her ideas, well, then you know what? Find something else to do with your time. WatchDogOnWallStreet.com.